Hello my little lemons. Today I'll be teaching you 5-digit divided by 3-digit. We have 67,890 divided by 123. So first, we need to know 123 times what equals 6. But 123 is a lot bigger than 6. So we need to have two numbers. But still, 123 times something doesn't. It's just 123 is bigger than 67. So we add on another number and we have to write zeros here because none of 123's numbers can times both of these or on their own. So then we have 678. So 123 times something equals 678. So first, we work out the number that makes it to 678 with 123. Let's try a 5. So we write 123 times 5. And then 3 times 5, 15. Then 5 times 2 equals 10, plus that, carrier. And then there's 11. Oh, sorry, I accidentally done that. It was 0 because it's 10. Very sorry. Learn your times tables because you don't want to do that in maths. Okay. 5 times 1 equals 5, then 5 plus 1 equals 6. Then we write. Oh yes, oh yeah, I just done the wrong thing. Yeah, okay. That is actually 1. Very sorry. Very, very sorry. So then, 615 is smaller than 678, so we can write the 615 here, but first we need to write a 5 on top of the 8. So we write 615 and then draw a line and then draw the subtraction sign, yeah. So 8 minus 5 equals 3. 7 minus 1 equals 6. And then 6 minus 6 equals 0, so we don't need to write anything there. But if you like it, you can write a 0. I don't like to write zeros there because I already know that 6 minus 6 equals nothing. So then we add this 9 here, right over here. And then we find out another number that is smaller than that. So then, if we add one more 123 on this, on 615, it's going to be more than 639, so we write the same thing. And we subtract it again. So then, we do 9 minus 5, and that equals 4. Then 3 minus 1 equals 2. And that's the same with that. 6 minus 6 equals nothing, like 0. And then, we bring that 0 down here, right next to the 4. And then we're gonna have one more number to subtract 240. So if there's two 123s, I mean like 2 times 123, that's going to be too much because that's 6 more of this, so that is 246. And we want a number that is smaller than 240, so we write 1 because 123 is smaller than 240. So we write 123 here. And then we subtract it. 0 is smaller than 3, so we borrow a 1 from the 2, and then we carry it on. And then we have 10. So then 10 minus 3 equals 7. 13 minus 2 equals 11. And then 1 minus 1 equals nothing, and then plus that 1 is 117. So then 551 is the answer, but there's still this remainder. So we write the lowercase r and 117. So the answer for 67,890 divided by 123 equals 551, remainder at 117. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.